Accounting. Say you have a savings account at your local bank. If you overdraw on your account, you take out more money than you have. This withdrawal sends your balance below zero, which is shown as a negative amount. Let's look at an example. Say that Jonathan has $40 in the bank. He wants to buy a jacket that costs $50. So he overdraws $10 from his account and buys the jacket. In this case, Jonathan's account balance will be shown as negative $10. If Jonathan had spent only $30, he would have had positive $10 in his account. Profit and loss. The net profit of a business is calculated as the difference between the money spent and the money received. If more money is received than spent, the result is positive, and the business is said to be making a profit. If more money is spent than received, the result is negative, and the business is at a loss. For example, Brian spends $50 to set up a lemonade stand at the local fair. At the end of the fair, his earnings amount to $45. If we subtract the amount Brian spent from the amount he received, the sign of the result tells us whether he made a profit or a loss. Money received minus money spent equals $45 minus $50 equals negative $5. The negative result means that Brian lost $5. More examples. In multi-story buildings, the floors below the ground floor are sometimes labeled -1, -2, and so on. The negative signs mean that these floors are below the ground floor. You might have noticed that the ground floor is often denoted by a G or 0 on elevator buttons. Electric charges are classified as positive and negative charges. An object with more positively charged particles than negatively charged particles has a positive charge. An object with more negatively charged particles than positively charged particles has a negative charge.